Hello, I'm Stephen Watson here in Hamden, Connecticut, just outside a place I'll be doing a presentation, a teaching, and welcome to today's Tàijíquán Tip. So this is a new place for me to visit. It's uh, uncertain in terms of the directions, um, and I was a bit pressed for time, and I also am busy in my brain trying to plan the workshop, thinking about what I want to do and thinking of things I've left out in my notes and so forth. So I'm in a bit of a hurry, not terrible, but a bit of a hurry. Not confident that I'll get there on the time I plan to because of sort of GPS and the location and stuff and it being new to me. And I'm busy thinking about the thing and I'm uncomfortable. It's like getting close to 90 degrees, I don't know, 87, something like that. And I'm sort of not dressed for it. So anyway, I just got here and I'm not late. I'm a bit early. And so today's Tàijíquán Tip is when you find yourself having been a little off or rushed particularly, instead of just saying, exhaling, saying, I'm here, turn the car off and going in. You can probably hear my car still running. I set the tripod on top of the hood. And of course, there's traffic going by. But I want to just kind of use my Tai Chi Chuan, maybe my Qigong, if you will. I don't really like that phrasing so much to use, but want to settle into it to return myself to a more ordinary state of equilibrium, to quiet myself, to settle myself, to source and coalesce myself, rather than just closing the door, grab my keys, grab my water, heading in, doing a thing. And for me, that means I have to be kind of on. Here, I just want to take a minute, and maybe that minute actually does make me a minute late, but actually, I feel like I'll deliver a truer sense of me and a better workshop than I would if I had just said, hey, I'm here, I made it, good, grab my stuff and head in. Take a minute, maybe 90 seconds, maybe 2 minutes, maybe 45 seconds. Practice a little bit. I like to do something at least 3 times, but whatever you can do. So thank you very much and keep your practice up.
Thank you very much for the tips. They really help me stay in business and stay alive. This last one will show you ways to get in touch with me on my link tree. So appreciate all the support and shares. Thank you.